here I have my design for the blade. I'm going to lay it out on my steel with just a Sharpie, and then I'm going to use bench grinder and grind in that profile. Got the blade looking crispy clean. Time to uncorrect my neck. Ugh, bending over. So I'm gonna head over to my drill press and drill a couple of holes. These are gonna be our pivot points for our handle slide and like a stopping pin that I'm gonna add as well. I'm also going to kind of carve out a channel in the center of this blade by drilling holes and then filing through. So that should take some weight off of it and also make it look a little cooler. So let's get that done. Okay, so here's what we got so far. One blade with a pretty sweet channel. Got the holes drilled, and I hit it with some sandpaper to get it more uniform looking. Our two handle pieces, and right now they're really thick, but that gives me some room to play. So I'm going to drill a hole here and a hole here to make the pivot points on the blade. You know, pretty funny thing happened to me actually while I was making this. You know when you drop your angle grinder on the floor while it's running and you're scared because you're wearing Crocs, and so you don't want to use power tools for the rest of the build because you're afraid that you're going to die, and so you use hand tools and you don't film any of kind of the buffing and the grinding and all that good stuff. And so your video becomes really short. Yeah, well, at least I have a cool butterfly knife.